Look at these two lovebird. Is drizzling, but they are sitting there outside. Hi bird, come inside here. No raining. It's drizzling, my sweetheart. You too. Come here. It's raining. Drizzling. Why you are not coming here inside the house? Come bird. See? Mamaya basa kayo. Kawawa naman kayo, malamigan kayo. Oh, you love to bat in the rain. No wonder. So friendly and cutie. Is drizzling today. Not so heavy yet the rain, but these two lovebirds love to stay outside and get some shower. And they don't want to go anywhere. See? Just sitting there. So lovely and cute. Hi guys! Please subscribe my channel, Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Hi two birds, come! It's getting heavier the rain. Come! Come inside here, baby. You see? Come here. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe my channel, Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Para po ako ay makapag-charity sa amin sa province namin. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. Take care. God bless always everyone.